Hello guys, my recipe for today is a very simple and delicious pilau. So if I begin, I have 2 cups of basmati rice that is soaked. I have onions, I have garlic, I have salt, I have pilau masala, tomato paste, and some chopped potatoes. I have boiled meat and some cooking oil. So I began off by frying up my onions and I mix them up, and when they're almost turning brown, I add in my garlic. So I mix them up again several times so that they can stick on the sufuria or my pot. So I mix them up until they turn the brownish color or the golden color. Now that they're brown, I'm gonna add in my boiled meat and mix up the onions, the garlic, plus my boiled meat. I'm gonna mix the mixture till it incorporates well. Now that my mixture has incorporated, I'm gonna add in my spices, my pilau masala, pilau masala, salt, together with my tomato paste. So also I'll mix up the ingredients together and make sure that everything aligns well. And then I'll add in my chopped potatoes. Then add in, mix up the ingredients again, make sure they incorporate. And every time you add an ingredient, you have to make sure everything is well incorporated. So you can see my potatoes are mixed. Now I add in my rice section. So guys, always make sure that the rice is soaked before cooking so that it takes less time when cooking a pilau. So my mixture is well incorporated. I'm gonna take my boiling water and then add in. So I had soaked 2 cups of basmati rice, and now I'm gonna put 2 cups of hot water. And then I'll reduce my heating into medium and then let the pilau cook. It's a simple recipe. I'll advise everyone to try and enjoy your results at the end. So I put on my lid to allow the rice cook. As you can see, it's almost. And here we are. My pilau is ready. So guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.